Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a special guest, Mila. You can hear her, but she says she doesn't want to show her face, so that's okay. Oh, shaka, she got a shaka. Mila wanted to show you guys how she makes her breakfast musubi. So, what's your ingredients?
Okay, so I have nori.
Nori?
It's the sushi nori, not the one that comes in the packs.
Okay, so dry seaweed.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
We call it nori.
And then there's the sticky rice.
Short grain white rice,
And
also
then,
known as sticky rice.
Yeah. And then there's scrambled eggs. And then there's Spam.
So we also mommy fried up some eggs and some Spam. Okay, so show everybody how you make your breakfast musubis.
Okay, so...
Oh, what is this?
Oh, this is a musubi maker.
Your musubi maker. Yeah. It's a plastic mold.
Yeah, and the arrow goes down. This arrow, it goes down.
Okay.
Because it tells you how to push this.
Okay.
So you gotta do that. And then you put it in the middle.
And
then you take your rice spoon, or if you use a metal spoon, you should probably dip it in water so the rice doesn't stick to it.
Yeah, so we have rice. We have a metal spoon. So she's saying you can let it soak in your water bowl so that the rice doesn't stick to it.
And so you take your rice and you stuff it in there.
And Mila has her little, she said her assistant. So who's your assistant?
It's Bluebird. You can hear him squawking in some videos or talking.
That's Bluebird. This is Bluebird.
He ate some sticky rice earlier.
Mila sharing her sticky rice with him. Say hi, Bluebird.
He's eating. He doesn't want to say hi.
Yeah. Oh, he said hi.
Oh.
Okay, so you put your rice in there.
Yeah. And
next,
then you take your Spam. Oh, okay. So if you want to, this is optional. You don't have to. But I like to put aminos. You can put soy sauce. You can put furikake. You just do that.
So Mila prefers the flavor of liquid and aminos over
soy sauce,
shoyu, which is also soy sauce. But Mila also mentioned furikake, so this is furikake. This one we got at Trader Joe's, but you can find this online. All different types of brands, all different types of furikake. This one just has like salt, sesame seeds,
nori chunks,
and little nori chunks or dried seaweed chunks. Okay.
Very delicious.
Yeah, it is very delicious. Okay, Bluebird, we hear you.
So next, you're gonna take your Spam that you cooked on the pan in the oven.
On the pan, we cooked on the pan on the
stove. Yeah. And then you put it in
Spam.
there.
Okay.
Put it in there.
For breakfast musubi, you want to also add your egg?
But you don't have to if you're not making breakfast musubi. I think it makes it taste better when it's the morning. So next, you're going to take your rice like you did on the bottom, but you're going to take a little less just because there's not a lot of space left up here. Can you cut this part And so this time you're gonna take the aminos or whatever. You're gonna use this. It's part of the musubi maker set. And you're gonna take it and push down. And if you have some rice overflowing, that's okay. You just push it out. And so keep that down and pull that up. And then you can pull that up. Next, you'll take this side. The side furthest from you, set it there, make sure to wrap it kind of tight and put some water right there. And you'll take the other side and put it down. And then to make sure that it, give it pressure so it sticks, you turn it over. And it's breakfast musubi.
Here is your breakfast musubi.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.